Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're addressing a common issue many users face, the unable to play video error 150 in Google Slides. Now this error can be frustrating, especially when you're preparing for an important presentation, but don't worry because we've got you covered. And in this video, we'll explore several practical methods to resolve this issue, including using Wondershare Repairit, checking your internet connection, adjusting video settings, disabling VPNs, turning off hardware acceleration, and requesting YouTube access from your Google admin. Each method is designed to help you get your videos playing smoothly in Google Slides. Now, before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video if you find it helpful, and leave a comment below sharing your experiences or any questions that you might have. Now, let's get started. Part 1. Understanding video error 150. Now, the unable to play video error 150 typically occurs in Google Slides when attempting to play an embedded YouTube video. Now, this error can be caused by various factors, including video privacy settings. So, if the video is set to private or has embedding disabled, it won't play in Google Slides. Network issues, a poor or unstable internet connection can hinder video playback. VPN or proxy interference. VPNs or proxies might block certain content, leading to playback errors. Browser settings. Hardware acceleration or outdated browser versions can cause compatibility issues. Administrative restrictions. Now, in organizational settings, administrators might restrict access to YouTube content. Understanding these causes is the first step towards resolving the issue. Part 2. The best ways to fix unable to play video error 150. Method 1. Use Wondershare Repairit. Now, when encountering the unable to play video error 150 in Google Slides, one potential cause is a corrupt video file. In such cases, Wondershare Repairit offers a reliable solution to repair damaged videos, ensuring that they play correctly in your presentations. Wondershare Repairit is a comprehensive tool designed to fix corrupted, damaged, or broken video files. Here's how to use Wondershare Repairit. First, download and install. Go ahead and visit the official Wondershare Repairit website and download the software for your operating system. Install and launch the application. Add the corrupted video. Now, go on the Add button to import the corrupted video file. Then, repair the video. Click on the Repair button to start the repair process. Once complete, preview the repaired video to ensure it's all fixed. Save the repaired video. Now you can go ahead and click Save to store the repaired video on your computer. Now, by repairing the video file, you can eliminate playback issues caused by file corruption. Method 2. Check your connection when meeting video error 150. A stable internet connection is crucial for streaming embedded videos in Google Slides. An unstable connection can lead to playback errors. So the steps you can take are: test your connection. Open a web browser and try accessing different websites to ensure that your internet is working. Restart your router. Unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds and plug it back in to reset your connection. Switch networks. If possible, connect to a different network to see if the issue persists. Ensuring a stable internet connection can resolve many playback issues. Method 3. Change your video settings. Sometimes, the video's privacy settings prevent it from being played in Google Slides. Adjusting these settings can help. So, to change your video settings, access YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube and sign into your account. Click on your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Edit video settings. Now, in the left menu, click on Content. Find the video in question and click on the details icon. Allow embedding. Scroll down to the license and distribution section. Ensure the Allow embedding box is checked. Save changes. Go ahead and click Save to apply the new settings. Now, by allowing embedding, your video should now play correctly in Google Slides. Method 4. Disabling the VPN. VPNs can sometimes interfere with video playback by routing your connection through different servers, leading to restrictions. Now, to disable your VPN, access VPN settings. Open your VPN application or go to your device's network settings. Disconnect the VPN. Turn off the VPN connection. Now, test video playback. Return to Google Slides and try playing the video again. Disabling the VPN can often resolve playback issues caused by regional restrictions. Method 5. Disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can sometimes interfere with video playback in browsers, leading to errors like unable to play video error 150. Disabling this feature may resolve the issue. So, steps to disable hardware acceleration in your Google Chrome are: open Google Chrome. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced to expand more settings. Under the System section, find the option Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Toggle this option off. Now go ahead and restart Chrome to apply the changes. After restarting, try playing the video in Google Slides again to see if the error persists. Method 6. Request Google Admin to grant YouTube access. In organizational settings, administrators may restrict access to YouTube content, causing the unable to play video error 150. Now, if you're part of such an organization, you can request your Google admin to grant the necessary permissions. Steps for Google admin to grant YouTube access: sign in to the Google admin console using an administrator account. From the admin console homepage, go to the apps, additional Google services, click on YouTube, click on permissions, select the organizational unit you want to configure, choose unrestricted YouTube access. Click Save to apply the changes. Now, once these settings are updated, users within the organization should be able to play embedded YouTube videos in Google Slides without encountering error 150. Encountering the unable to play video error 150 in Google Slides can be disruptive, but with the methods outlined above, you can troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Whether it's repairing a corrupted video with Wondershare Repairit, adjusting browser settings, or coordinating with your Google admin, each solution addresses a potential cause of the error. Thanks for watching. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your experiences or any questions. Stay tuned for more tech tips and solutions.